So today we're here at Gampong Cekre, and before there was a team that found this complex.
Di komplek makam Tengku Batai Badan. Ini bagian-bagian puncak. Nah, ornamen. Cik. Cik.
Oh, nak apa?
Pak.
Nak ornamen, nak camping. Tunggu.
Oh, nak ornamen dia ya. Nah, nyo ciri khas Batai Insan yang diperuntukkan untuk ke tokoh agama ataupun ulama, dan ini disebut Batai Tengku Batai Badan.
Boleh belah no kapata.
Bagian kaki ya,
Bagian kaki
insan kaki puncak
kapata. Belah dia mantau.
kanali ya. Nah, diwai Pak. Nah, diwai ya. Dan nyo bentuk ornamen. Jadi nah ornamen di bagian posisi Batai Badan.
So today we're here at Gampong Cekre, and before there was a team that found this complex where there is a huge body on top of the grave, which is it's kind of rare condition to find this body stone on 18th century gravestone, especially here on Aceh. This stone was made from kind of like of andice, I think. It was carved by hands by Acehese people back then. And this graveyard was from the period of Sultanate of Aceh Darussalam. Di padum tahun ikut no ka ngatom gejak tim dan dirumpok le tim ngembang air jaman. Tom padum batang.
Warbe pam lah.